In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Smartsheet. Sorting by date is really helpful when you're managing timelines, tracking due dates, or just trying to see what needs your attention first. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to choose so your rows line up in the order you want, without changing any of your actual data. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in the grid view where you can see your columns and rows. Look at the column that contains your dates, like start date or due date. We're going to base our sort on that column. Now move your mouse to the top of the sheet and look for the small 3-dot icon. This is usually found in the toolbar area above your grid. These 3 dots open up more options for managing your sheet. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot menu. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of different actions you can take on your sheet. From this list, find and click on the option called Sort Rows. This will open the sorting window where you can tell Smartsheet how you want your rows organized. In the sorting window, you'll be asked to select which column you want to sort by. Click on the drop-down and choose your date column, for example, the column where all your due dates are stored. It's important that this column is actually formatted as a date column in Smartsheet, not as plain text, so the sort works correctly. After selecting your date column, choose whether you want the dates to be sorted in ascending or descending order. Ascending will show the oldest or earliest dates at the top and the newest or latest dates at the bottom. Descending will do the opposite and bring the most recent or latest dates to the top. Pick the order that makes the most sense for how you want to view your work. Once you've made your selection, confirm the sort. Smartsheet will rearrange your rows based on the date column you chose, keeping all the information in each row together while changing the order of the rows themselves. If you ever want to change the order again, you can repeat these same steps. Click the 3 dots, choose Sort Rows, select your date column, pick the order and apply it. This way, you can quickly organize your sheet around upcoming deadlines or past events whenever you need.